Here are 3 easy design tips if you're redesigning your kitchen, but you also want to save a couple bucks. So first and foremost, I want to talk about faucets and hardware. A lot of this stuff can be purchased from Amazon. You don't need to go to a custom design store. You can get a lot of these nice pieces just from Amazon.com. So Jeff Bezos really came through for us for some of these fixtures. Another huge tip here is the cabinetry. If you're able to save your cabinetry, refurbish it, and give it a new fresh look with a coat of paint, it can look really nice. For example, these are custom cabinets. They were in extremely rough shape, but we were able to clean them out, add some new glass to them, and give them a nice fresh coat of paint, and get that luxe look that we want still. If you want to go out and get custom cabinets, it's going to cost you a lot more money. Stock cabinets will save you some money as well, but they're stock cabinets. They might not fit your space correctly. Last but not least, I want to talk about countertops as well. You can get a really nice stone. This particular one is a quartz from a store just like Lowe's or Home Depot. They actually have some pretty good deals when it comes to countertop and some nice financing options as well. Also, a lot of local countertop wholesalers are really good sources. So make sure you guys do some price comparisons, but countertops can really add a lot of dollars to your budget. Definitely look at saving some money on your countertops, look at saving some money on your cabinets and the fixtures. It's gonna save you a ton.